you can't tell, this is cracked really bad and it's breaking. We threw a weld on here once before, try and thicken it, but we're going to do it a little better this time. So what we're doing is fixing this. So we made that template out of paper. We just set it on the front end of the trailer coupler, and we basically just cut out that shape in order to make it fit quite snug, and then we're going to cut it out of steel. So hopefully you like the process. Pretty close. So I threw the angle iron underneath the forge so it wouldn't burn the deck, and I threw a weld on the front end over the crack so it'd be a little bit cleaner to work with, and I wouldn't have to worry about it denting in when I'm hammering and stuff on there. I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup here from when I welded on it. So I didn't really video the part of me welding front end, so you didn't get a very good visual of the crack, but it was pretty good size. I'm welding this piece of rebar to the center of it in the front because I'm going to need to be able to hammer all the way around, and I can't have the tongs holding onto it.
So I'm going to be doing a little bit of welding here on around the edges where those slits are. It's going to be bright, so watch out. So it looked like my GoPro died, but here's the finished product right here. And if you liked it, please drop a like and subscribe, and maybe turn notification bell. It's all really helpful. Thank you for watching.